INTC Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. As I'm looking at Intel, it's consolidating a lot. It's consolidating a bunch, and I'm not a big fan of the current price action. Now, with that in mind, I've been in the market for 5 years. I've done 40,000 videos like no one else. So, you know, I've seen what's working for me and what's really moving the needle forward. When I say I don't like it, you can see like even my two recent trades predictions have been bearish side. This is the first one. And guess what? I'm the only guy showing you this sort of blinks because I do have the proof. This is like 2 months back. And then I also have this, which is like not 2 months back, but it's just a month back. And since then, you know, from 21 bucks, now we're 19. Slowly but surely, steadily is going down. That's exactly what my idea is going to still be. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month, then just click the first link in the description and then get my free emails.